how did it all begin?
Finishing university at engineering in UK, I moved to LA to pursue a music career, and within a couple of years I decided that being a struggling musician wasn't that appealing. Through the late 90s I migrated into architectural interiors. I found myself with many of the store fixture industries and the brands knocking on my door wanting us as a supplier because we were known for a superb quality. So we have now relationships with brands that go back 15 years. We've become a major global supplier for the top brands in the world.
Modernspace creates, designs, develops, engineers, manufactures and rolls out retail environments, spaces that the public use, the public enjoy.
I live, eat and breathe design. For me, it is everything. I mean, everything that you touch and buy is designed. We're always thinking about ways to really engage.
Our goal is to make sure customer is satisfied.
Companies are looking for the best way of showcasing their items, their products. So we constantly have to be thinking of ideas to innovate, to break markets.
It really takes a dedicated, disciplined, and creative person.
It's all about maintaining the highest possible standard.
We built up a fantastic team, and now we're going back into other parts of the world, into Europe and into Americas, and expanding.
Which makes it really interesting to work with different types of people, different type of cultures.
But we get together because we share the same goals.
And it's always striving for the best.
With manufacturing in different places around the world, we want to ensure that what we're manufacturing in different locations is consistent.
We're accountable, we're responsible, and as such we can fix and deal with any issues that come up.
That is actually what people can rely on, so they continue to do business with us because they know what they're getting when they work with modernspace.
As we grow, opportunities will arrive. Our people will jump at the opportunity to things that they've never dreamed of, in areas of activity we've not considered yet. And to sit back and to watch those moments will be great.